Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. I believe that this is one of the shoes my wife got. I'm not sure where's it from, but anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So this is from Kohl's. There's a SKU number, EPC number, description right here, and then one quantity. It says unit price is $29.99. The tax on this is 8.75%. Oh wow, I thought it was a shoe. So this one is the Sharper Image Bluetooth karaoke microphone. It's a ultimate party mic. Sing your heart out and become the line of the party. Bluetooth streaming. Sync to smartphones or tablets to stream all the hits. Built-in speaker. Turn your voice volume or music volume for dynamic sound. And then vocal effects. Reduce echo and enhance any voice with the advanced tuner. Rechargeable. Plug in the included USB cable to charge up the mic. Audio out. Connect the auxiliary cable to another speaker and pump up the volume. Oh, this is cool. So the previous one that I got, it will not allow you to connect to the audio output. And this is made in China. It comes with the microphone, 3.5mm audio jack, micro USB charging cable, rechargeable 2000 mAh battery included. So it doesn't specify if it's a nickel metal hydride or lithium ion battery. It should be lithium ion nowadays. So. And it says tomorrow's. Here's an instruction booklet. It's a speaker. Microphone with the noise padding. Slide to adjust microphone echo. Press and hold to turn microphone on. Press and hold to turn microphone off. Slide to adjust microphone volume. Micro USB charging port. And then auxiliary out to connect to the speaker. And here's the instruction right here. So it takes about approximately 6 hours to be fully charged. And you need to pair your microphone with your smartphone or your tablets. You need to be 3 feet apart. All right, so let's go ahead and take this out. Wow. Pretty big. So this is a 3.5 millimeter jack. It is 3 prongs. Some of them they have 4 prongs, so this is a 3. And then a charging cable. Alright, so it's a micro USB. The silica gel. So in the picture it shows a silver color, and then this one is the white. Remind me of the iPhone. So there's your speaker right there with the grill. And then a microphone. So you can see the padding inside there. So there's your volume. Just slide it from low to high. Your on and off button. And then echo. So press and hold down. And then Bluetooth. I guess try to sync it with your smartphone. Isn't this blinking blue as a LED? So this is where you charge your microphone. And then either you want to connect this to your 3.5 millimeter headset or speaker. Try turn on the volume. Testing. Hello? What? Why so low? Hello? Hey, YouTube. Hey, YouTube. Welcome back. Let me check the echo. Test. Hello. Welcome back, guys. This is echo in medium level. Can you guys hear me? Hello? Test. So yeah, I'm not sure if the speaker is loud enough or not. So anyway, I'm gonna give it a test and then maybe do a depth full review later on and see. Alright, so I'm going to connect this microphone to my Iron Pathfinder 3. So turn on the microphone. And then connect the 3.5 millimeter jack. So somehow when I test out this one and then connect to the microphone, it sounds so low. So I test out on the line in right here. And it sounds much better. So I'm going to turn it on. And
Power on.
And then you can adjust the volume here.
Bluetooth connected.
Ouch. Testing. Wow. Testing. I'm too close. I'm gonna stand out and talk, so maybe turn down the microphone. No, the microphone doesn't matter. It's on master volume right here only, and you can adjust the bass. Testing 1 2 3. Do you guys hear me? And I'm gonna turn up the echo level. Testing. Right now it's on the highest level. Right now it's on the medium, and then this is the low. Hello? Testing 1 2 3. And I'm gonna turn on the volume. Hello. So I think doesn't really matter. Testing. Anyway, this is just a quick test. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And if you got any question, please drop in the comment section, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. So anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.